What is linked to previous in Word headers and footers? Have you ever wondered how to manage headers and footers in Microsoft Word when working with different sections? One feature that can help you with this is called Link to Previous. This option plays a key role in how headers and footers behave across sections of your document. Let's break it down. Link to Previous is a setting that determines whether the header or footer in your current section is connected to the header or footer in the section before it. When this feature is turned on, any changes you make to the header or footer in one section will also show up in the linked sections. This is particularly useful when you want consistency across your document. By default, when you insert a section break in Microsoft Word, the headers and footers remain as linked. However, if you want to create different headers or footers in each section, you can disable Link to Previous. This allows you to customize the header or footer for that section without affecting the earlier ones. For instance, if you are writing a report with multiple chapters, you might want different titles or page numbers in the headers or footers for each chapter. It is important to note that Link to Previous only applies to similar headers or footers. For example, the first page header is linked only to the first page header of the previous section, not to the odd page or even page headers. If you use different headers for first pages or odd and even pages, these will be treated separately. To use the Link to Previous feature, start by inserting section breaks where you want the header or footer to change. Then, while in the header or footer editing mode, you can toggle the Link to Previous button on or off in the Header and Footer Tools Design tab. If the option appears dimmed, it usually means there is no section break before the current section. This feature can be particularly handy in various scenarios. For example, you can number chapters differently by section, like having Chapter 1 pages numbered 1-1, 1-2, and Chapter 2 pages numbered to -1 to -2. You might also want a unique header or footer in a preface that differs from the main document. Additionally, you can create different headers or footers for odd and even pages or for the first page of a section. Understanding how to manage Link to Previous is essential for creating well-structured documents in Microsoft Word, especially when you need distinct headers and footers across multiple sections.